Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some aloo bakes or potato bakes. To get started, I already went ahead and made my dough, and I'll show you guys how I did it in just a minute. I also boiled my potatoes ahead of time in a little bit of salt, and I have here some hot peppers, some scallions, parsley, red onions, and for the seasonings I'll be using some complete seasoning, bouillon, garlic powder, black pepper, some butter, and some sour cream. So for the dough, I have here some all-purpose flour, some butter, I have salt and sugar here. I like my bakes sweet, so I have a little extra sugar. I have baking powder, yeast, and some warm water. What you want to do is work that butter in first with your hands, and once it's evenly distributed, then we'll go ahead and start adding our, sugar, baking powder, yeast, and we will start adding the water a little at a time until you form a nice soft dough. Once the dough is formed, we'll cover and allow it to sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now let's work on our potatoes. I just realized that I lost the clip when I was adding the butter and sour cream. So basically I added the butter and sour cream first, and then I mashed the potatoes until they were nicely combined. And then I started adding the rest of my ingredients, the seasonings, onions, scallions, parsley, and peppers. I mix the combine and cover and allow it to sit. So after about 35 minutes, this is how the dough is looking. Next, we will flour a surface, and you want to knead the dough for a few seconds to get the air out of that dough. Then we'll separate the dough into equal parts. You can make your bakes as big or as small as you like. I will be making 5 bakes with this amount of dough. You want to form them into some little dough balls, and once we're done, I will show you guys what's next. Next, you want to flatten out your dough ball. Flatten it big enough to where your filling can fit nicely in the middle. Then you want to grab a generous amount of that filling, place it in the middle, and you want to seal it up by grabbing all of the edges. Make sure it's nicely sealed, and then we will grab another and carry on with that same step until we're all done. Next, you want to roll out your dough ball. You will roll it to your desired thickness. If you want it super thin, you can roll it like that. If you want it thick, just do it to suit your own preference. Once we've rolled it out, we'll move over to the stove and start frying. To my preheated oil, I will now add the bakes in there, and I have my heat on low because I want this to cook on slow and low heat. You don't want them to burn really quick and then they're raw in the middle, so you want to cook them on low heat. So we'll cook these, and what I like to do is go in with my spatula and just swoop the oil over top of the bake. It helps it to inflate faster and cook more evenly. So that's what I'll do. Once it becomes nice and brown on one side, I will give it a flip and allow it to brown up on the other side. You want it to cook nice and slow, and once it's fully cooked on both sides, we'll remove it and we'll carry on with this same process until we're all done. So once they're done, this is what we have here. They smell absolutely amazing and I can't wait to dig in. So I'm going to now break one and show you guys how they look on the inside. It is perfectly cooked and it is soft, fluffy on the inside, and you can tell that the potatoes are well seasoned. Trust me, when you try this recipe, you will be hooked. It is absolutely amazing and I can't wait for you guys to give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and let me know how you guys make your aloo bake or potato bake. I will be leaving all the ingredients that I use down in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day and enjoy.